Crosby. The world's gone topsy-turvy ever since we stood beneath the mistletoe. Jingle bells, they have a warm ring. Oh, baby, we can no longer sing that lovely tune you crooned so long ago.
Santa, Santa, hey, say hello to Santa.
Well, it's gonna be a white, hot Christmas ever since I tasted her lips. It's 103, the snow is melting, the icicles have disappeared. Santa's granted me my wish. It's the gift of her sweet kiss. It's gonna be a white, hot Christmas this year. Old Saint Nick is looking slick in his ragtop Lamborghini. Mrs. Claus is dropping jaws in a candy cane bikini. Jackie Frost has lost his cool, now he's got that copper tone tan. When my baby walks by me, oh my, it's a swinging summer wonderland. Well, it's gonna be a white, hot Christmas ever since I tasted her.
Oh, thanks for here.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas!
Wow.
Santa's granted me my wish.
Uh-oh.
It's the gift of her sweet kiss. It's gonna be a white, hot Christmas.
Oh my God, look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh my God.
Oh no, it came out without a header box.
Rudolph's guiding Santa's sled with the souped-up John Deere tractor. It's like the 4th of July, and me, oh my, here comes my little firecracker. Well, it's gonna be a white, hot Christmas ever since she's kissed my lips. It's 103, the snow is melted, the icicles have disappeared. Santa's granted me my wish. It's the gift of her sweet kiss. It's a white, hot Christmas. White, hot Christmas this year. I said a white, hot Christmas.
It's so hot.
I know, the train's smoking.
This year. It's white hot, baby, and so are you. Merry Christmas.
I know. Look at Santa. Let me sit down. Let me get by Santa real quick. 'Cause you know what? Wait, come over here. Come here, Bianca. Come here. We just like to say,
Ho ho ho!
you get Santa in there?
Ho ho ho!
We're so happy.
Merry Christmas!
Right here. Sit down. Look, we're gonna see. Just come on, look. Eddie, can I play with the trains? Look, Eddie, come here. Press this number right here. Press this. Right there. Watch this. And you're being a good boy. You're not touching the train at all. I love you. You like your toy Daddy got you? Yeah. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. What? I know he went, but look what he gave you. I'm so happy.
Okay, give me a tray of water.
Look, here it comes. Yay!
Well, it's gonna be a white, hot Christmas ever since I tasted her lips. It's 103, the snow is melting, the icicles have disappeared. Santa's granted me my wish. It's the gift of her sweet kiss. It's gonna be a white, hot Christmas this year. Old Saint Nick is looking slick in his ragtop Lamborghini. Mrs. Claus is dropping jaws in a candy cane bikini. Jackie Frost has lost his cool, now he's got that copper tone tan. When my baby walks by me, oh my, it's a swinging summer wonderland. Well, it's gonna be a white, hot Christmas
I want to say this is. I want to say that this is DaVido, and this is my son Eddie. Say hello, Eddie. Say hello. This is 2010. He's 3 years old, and we're in front of his new train set that Santa got him. Actually, Dad that got him, but he'll know that one day. And I want to say we love you. Merry Christmas to everyone. And we're going to have a white hot Christmas this year, right? Say white hot Christmas. Say white hot Christmas. This year. Bye, everybody. Merry Christmas.
Well, it's gonna be a white hot Christmas. Ever since she's kissed my lips, it's 103. The snow has melted. The icicles have disappeared. Santa's granted me my